You want to be a streamer and an uploader? Watch this video. It's not going to be that long, hopefully, and you'll make it right there easily. I promise you that. That's what happens when you create a channel off of one community. You should take this advice, by the way, guys. If you want to create more content, do content first. If you want to do streams and content, make content first. Learn how to. You're just gonna be another one of those trashy YouTubers that are maybe get overrated. Be trashy, okay? Be good. So learn how to edit if you want to stream and do videos. I didn't do that. I just wanted to stream. Well, I mean, I made videos first, but they were never good. But if you want to do them both, do content first. If you even gain subs from if you even gain subs when you're making content, then you're gonna know immediately that's because you're getting subs from your content. And if you get enough subs, you should wait a little bit after you make a couple months. If you gain some subs, and then start streaming if you want. Just don't do it a lot. I know I'm not trying to boss anybody around. I'm just saying this is a really good tip that you could actually make your channel really sick. Make content first. Be good at editing when you're doing it, so that people will want to watch it. And then you make probably try to set a schedule for yourself so you don't make it every day. Maybe make it every day, but it's not gonna be worth it. Try to let it stay out there for a bit, 3 days before you make another one when you're starting. And then maybe when you get if you even gain more subs from your content, then do every day maybe or something like that. Okay, I don't know. It's not my schedule. And then start streaming just maybe once or twice a week, because if you just do streams, people are either gonna get bored of it. And let's say a YouTuber that doesn't ever streams for the first time, and you subscribe to him because of his content, and that person's just streaming, and he never does. You're obviously gonna go to that person's stream and just watch them if they're good, because they never do. I mean, I'm actually willing to make a new channel and then take that advice that I just said right there, and I'm pretty sure I can make really good content. I could probably gain some subs as a challenge. See if I'll actually if my own advice will actually work. That's freaking good advice, I swear. I'm telling you right now, that's really good advice. I mean, it's really all just what you would do, right? I mean, you just gotta think about it. John Sandman never streams on YouTube, and when he does, you watch him, because he's probably not gonna stream for another 3 months, maybe even longer. Be the one that makes the content and gets views for it, and then you're gonna get views from your streams. I think John Sandman's perfect, to be honest, a perfect example. He streams on Twitch, and he does content on YouTube, but he also streams on YouTube once a month, once every 3 months. It matters when it's a good event. If he was a daily streamer, his views would go down so much, because then people would be like, alright, I'll just watch him tomorrow. But you can't watch him tomorrow, you're gonna have to watch him in another 5 months. That's why people watch him. Thank you for watching again. Just a little recap. This is for people that, just want to stream and make content, and you should take this advice. This is what you want to do. Make a schedule. Do it every 3 days or 2 days. Just don't do it every day, because if you're going to make really good editing content, really good quality content, you don't want to make it every day, because then your edits will be pretty much useless, because not everybody's going to see it. You want to make it consistent, but not too consistent to where people can't, to where you're making too much of it, that you just feel there's no more hope. You want to make it at least twice a week, which is good enough. Always make a channel art. Always make a profile picture. Always never keep your description empty. Always put your social media in there if you want to edit for people or whatever you gotta do. Always make sure it's not empty. You always want to signify or use your description to create an example for who you are. And yeah, always edit your videos and then stream about a month after you're done doing it. Thank you for watching.